Hi everybody, welcome to Savi's Palette. I'm Savita, and today I wanted to use up this wonderful cilantro fresh from my garden. And look at this mint growing in my garden, and make a delicious spicy mint coriander chutney. There are several recipes out there for this mint chutney, and I think this is what I have come up with, which I think is the best, and it works best for me. Clearly you can make your own variations. So the ingredients I'm going to use for this chutney are real quick. I have about 3 cups of mint here chopped, 1.5 cups of cilantro, about 8 to 10 small garlic cloves, and ginger about 1.5 inch, 5 green chilies, half a small onions sliced, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon Himalayan salt, half teaspoon northern powder. This is actually pomegranate powder, and this adds a wonderful taste to the chutney. And then I have 2 tablespoons of lemon. Lemon juice is really critical to keep the color of the chutney. We are going to go ahead and start by grinding the pomegranate seeds or the anardhan powder, seed powder, the cumin, and the salt, and that garlic, ginger, the green chili, and the onions. So it's a good idea to grind these first before you grind the mint and the coriander. So let's go ahead and do this. So I grind it without adding any water, like a coarse milk. It smells heavenly. So to this, we're going to go ahead and add our cilantro, the mint. Just pack it up. And we'll add the lemon juice. Once it's all ground together, we'll give it a quick taste and adjust the spices. Okay, let's go ahead and grind this. First, I'm going to grind it without adding any water, coarsely. Add a little bit of water at a time, just a little bit. We want to keep the water to the minimum and keep grinding till we get a smooth mixture. You don't want to over grind it because it will become bitter. Here you can see the mint chutney is ready. The pomegranate seed powder adds unique and nice flavor to it. Oh, and look at how green and nice it is. We're going to go ahead and move it into this container. And I also put it in ice tray and freeze them so I can access a couple at a time, because I think in the fridge at the most a week, I think after that it loses its flavor. So I'm going to put half in this container and freeze the other half. I'm going to freeze them in this ice tray, just add these like so. I'm going to put this in a freezer. Okay, here is my chutney all frozen. So I'm going to just pop it out. Here you go. My frozen mint coriander chutney ice cubes. And we are just going to pop this in a Ziploc bag and freeze it back. So there's my version of the mint coriander chutney. And if you guys try it out and if you like it, please let me know in the comment section, and also like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more such quick and easy recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.